Whenever someone needs to lose weight, the most common advice is for them to eat less and up the cardio. And jogging has been one of the most popular forms of cardio for the longest time. But is jogging really an effective method to get you to lose weight and look ripped? The answer to that is yes, it can help you lose weight and it can help you burn some body fat and get you more defined. However, the real question should be, is it the most effective out of all the approaches to get you ripped?
In this week's conversation with the coach, IFBB Pro, 40-year veteran of fitness, Quincy Roberts, we discuss this trend where you see runners, distant runners, being quote-unquote skinny fat or having a lot of body fat, and what they can do to minimize that body fat and get the overall fitness and physique they want. And it starts right now.
Two ways to lose weight. Of course, if you're in a calorie deficit and you're overtraining, you're going to lose weight, but you're probably going to lose more muscle than fat. So if you want to get leaner, you're going to have to eat a little more protein, less calories, empty calories, and do some weight training to develop the muscle. But even if you're just doing running, you become leaner as opposed to just losing weight and maintaining the body fat while losing the muscle.
Would you tell a runner to stop running, or would you tell them that they need to increase more weightlifting along with whatever running regimen they're currently doing?
Well, I tell them stop using, as far as a runner goes, you need to stop trying to use running to make yourself lose weight and look at what kind of calories you're taking in and eat a little more protein, do some weight resistance to build some muscle, but you have to watch the kinds of foods you're eating opposed to thinking that if I'm burning 1,400 calories a day, I can eat whatever kind of calories I want. Because if you're doing that, you're going to lose muscle and you're going to maintain the body fat. But you become smaller, but you also become softer. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and you can contact me by my phone number 336-987-4007 or my email qrelite@gmail.com.